In this video, I'm going to show you how to use regular expressions to match English and non-English characters in Python. We found this solution on Dave Zanotti's blog post at the URL shown here, and Dave agreed to let us create this video based on it. This solution applies more to Python 2 because Python 2's default encoding is ASCII, as we can see by importing sys and then checking sys.get default encoding ASCII. Whereas if we look at Python 3 and run that same code, import sys.get default encoding, you can see it's UTF-8. So let's look at the script. And I've done this a little bit differently than Dave, but the same idea. I started with a set of characters, and you can see my characters is Unicode, the U in front of the string. And then I have some symbols, some Latin letters, and then some non-Latin letters, those middle letters with the decorations over them. I then create two regular expressions, English cars and all cars. Both of these regular expressions use the same pattern. It's this string here, and within square brackets we have a caret, meaning not, then a backslash uppercase W, and then an underscore. So a backslash lowercase w matches any word character, and a word character is a letter, a digit, or the underscore. An uppercase W is the opposite. So it's any character that's not a letter, not a digit, and not the underscore. So what this is saying is that we want to match any character that is not a letter, a digit, or an underscore. In other words, it's going to match characters that are letters and digits and underscores, except that this next piece, we have the underscore here, so we're going to rule out the underscores. And what this is going to end up doing is just matching letters and digits. On the first one, we only have one flag, the ignore case flag, so it's going to match uppercase and lowercase letters. In the second one, we have that ignore case flag as well, but we also have this Unicode flag. And the reason we need that in Python 2 is that default encoding is ASCII. So this changes the encoding for this regular expression to Unicode. So then I just use find all for each of those regular expressions and pass in the cars string that I made earlier. I use print statements and loops down below to output the results. And I'll just run this and show you. The English outputs only the English characters, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, and the all with the Unicode flag outputs the English characters and the non-English characters. Now in Python 3, we don't have to worry about this. Notice my cars string no longer has the U in front of it because Unicode is or UTF-8 is the default encoding. So English cars and all cars, those variables are the same. I use result ing and result all, those are the same again, but when I print these, you'll see that the English matches all of them as well. So we don't need that re.unicode flag for Python 3. In fact, if we wanted to change it, we could put in the re.ascii flag for our English characters and then run that again. And now the non-English characters are excluded from that first result. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks to Dave for letting us use his post as a basis for this video. Check out his blog at the URL shown here.